I'll be talking about how AI can be used not only for conversations and for asking questions, like most people typically use it for, or for generating weird pictures, like most people usually use it for, but can also be used as a brainstorming partner. In my graduate class, we are being taught of how much ChatGPT can improve our process. And according to Paul Akers as well, anything that can reduce your processing time favors you and cuts out waste. It's the lean method. So ChatGPT is your chance to to fight against waste and make sure that all of your processes are streamlined. Um, Back in the day, if you were to give a presentation regarding a new product, you would brainstorm and think and probably check out a bunch of materials out there. But with ChatGPT, everything is at our fingertips. So for this presentation, I'll be using the ChatGPT 5, which is a paid version of the application. And I'm just stepping into the role of a business analyst. In fact, I am a business analyst in real life. And in this scenario, I'm about to give a presentation regarding a new product, which is an HRMS, an human resource management system platform. It's a platform where HR managers can view, select, and communicate with applicants and also schedule them for interviews and beyond. Beyond means, providing offer letters and, even onboarding them once they get in the door. So, as a business analyst in charge, that's what I wrote to ChatGPT. Can you provide me with 5 ideas that I can include in my presentation to the product team? So, ChatGPT understands my role and he understands the audience that I'll be presenting to. So, I'll hit send and it's thinking, and it tells me what the 5 strong ideas are. The first one is it's a unified applicant dashboard, which is correct. It's a smart candidate selection tools, which is correct as well. And it's an integration communication hub. That means we can communicate directly with applicants within the platform, which is correct as well. Interview scheduling and calendar sync, which it got when I said we can also schedule applicants for interviews and beyond, as well as post interview and onboarding workflow. All these are correct. All these are wonderful ideas. But like we were taught in class, sometimes it's good to break the the train of thought for ChatGPT. So I will be asking it. These are good ideas. Can you give me more? And let's see. So it provided more ideas: analytics and reporting dashboard, collaboration and role-based access, talent pool and candidates database. All of these are correct and aligns with what the platform is, with what the new product is. Automated reminders and notification, mobile-friendly access. This might not be included in the presentation because the first iteration of the platform that's going out is not applicable to mobile devices yet, so this will not be included. But at least ChatGPT gave me the idea to run with, and it is up to me, the human, to actually go through it and make changes, remove what does not apply to me, add what does apply to me, and what ChatGPT does, it kickstarts the brainstorming session and it kickstarts your brainstorming neurons to tell you to help you tailor your presentation to the what's best applies to you. So it also talks about compliance and data security, which is correct. Customization and scalability. Employee referral integration will not be added in the integration, will not be added to the presentation because it does not align with what the product has at this moment. AI-powered candidate engagement as well as performance tracking post-hire. All these are correct. And it says with these 15 plus ideas, you have a comprehensive presentation for which I agree. Some ideas may not align with the tool, some might, and some would. And even some of the things written out here would help me remember some other things which are aligned with the product as well. So like I said, I was like, yes, these are nice ideas. I like these ideas. Can you break this down into a 15-page presentation? So I have a 15-page presentation coming up in a few weeks. what do I need to include, and how do I gradually improve uh, improve the presentation from slide 1 all the way to slide 15. So the first slide is about title and introduction. Thank you, ChatGPT. And it tells me what to include in all of the two slides, in all of the 15 slides, from the first slide to the 15th slide. And all of these are perfect and great. Like I said, you get to remove whatsoever is not does not apply to your goal, and you get to think and actually brainstorm. But what ChatGPT does is it kickstart the brainstorming process, and it's at our fingertips. You don't need to go through months of research or weeks of research, or trying to like interview people, or trying to like dig up old documents, or trying to dig up old decks. um, and of course, would you like me to design a suggested speaker note? If I actually wanted to go ahead and do so, I can actually do so. Let's just try this out and say, yes, please. Say it actually gives me the script of what to do. All of these are at our fingertips, and this is everything I was able to achieve within the first 5 minutes of just checking with ChatGPT. This definitely aligns with the goal of streamlining the process, having everything at our fingertips, and more importantly, eliminating waste.